Hey Roses, welcome back. This is Olena from Olena Roseanne with another video, and today we're about to find out if Sensational is really sensational or not. I'm new to gel nails, but we're about to try this out anyway. Okay, Roses, so on my last trip to Target, I decided to go down the beauty aisles and take a look and see what they have for gel nails. I want to try something on my bare nails without adding anything acrylic or anything like that. So I picked up a few things from Sensational. Now, I really didn't know what I was doing, so I picked up 3 different products to do something about these nails. I want to wear nail polish, but I need for it to stay without peeling or chipping. So, we're going to go ahead and start off with this Sensational Gel Rescue Nail Rejuvenator. It says it's a base coat, so it says it's a base coat, so we'll start it off at the base of my nails, right? Right. So that's what I did. I went ahead and did one coat, and then I used my new LED dryer to dry it. And that didn't take long at all. I would say I left it underneath there 20 seconds and it was dry. So then I opened up the next package, which actually had instructions. The first one really didn't. Little did I know that this particular one says it is a all-in-one. So basically, this particular black nail polish, it keeps you from actually using a base, the nail color, and then the top layer. I didn't really pay attention and didn't really know too much until I read the detailed instructions. Now, seeing as though I used the clear base, I just went ahead and went in with the I Am Black Sheep Black Express Gel Polish from Sensational. I'm thinking, okay, it's just an extra coat of nail polish. It shouldn't bother anything, right? Well, we'll see about that. One thing I do love about gel nails is it's super shiny. It just looks beautiful. I was super excited, and I love the fact that my LED lamp my hubby purchased for me dried everything really fast. So I went ahead and went in with another coat. Hey, why not? They looking good, right? Yeah, there's a lot more to it. About to try on these glasses. Let me show you something. So I don't know if you saw my last post, but I did try gel nails for the first time by Sensationail Gel Nails, and I think I used the wrong combo. I used a gel base, and then I used a nail color gel that does not require base. I think the problem is because of the extra base I gave it, this is what's happening. I'm trying to show you guys. But you see how it's lifting away? Yeah, that's how it's supposed to happen. So I kind of think I'm going to remove the gel nail polish that I used yesterday, the combo I used, and just use the basic all-in-one that I got, which is the black nail gel polish from Sensational that includes the base within it. We'll try it that way, because this and this, yeah, I try to paint over it. That is tacky as you know what.